once again. Good day, children. Hello. How are you today? Well, very good. Very well said. So let us sing first before we start with our discussion right now. Let's sing Jesus loves the little children of the world. Let us sing. Sing with me. Jesus loves the little children, all the children of the world. Red, brown, yellow, black and white, they are precious in his eyes. Jesus loves the little children of the world. Jesus died for all the children of the world. Red, brown, yellow, black and white, they are precious in his eyes. Jesus loves the little children of the world. Very good, children. Very good. And let's have a recap. Let's have a review about our lesson last time. The first lesson that we have, it's about the letters and sounds of the alphabet. Again? Yes, the sounds of all the letters and sounds of the alphabet. But for now, we're going to forget first the letters, or we call it identifying the letters. Let us concentrate more on the sounds of the alphabet. Okay? Let's review again the sounds. Let's start with the vowel sounds. Repeat after me. A, E, I, A. Again. A, E, I, A. Very good. Very good. How about the consonant sounds? Okay, let us concentrate on the consonant sound. B. Very good. K. Nice. D. K. Ch. K. L. M. N. P. K. R. S. T. V. 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 X. Yeah. Z. Well done. Well done. Well done, children. Now, since you know already the sounds, our lesson for today is about how to combine the two sounds. The consonant sound, and a vowel sound. We are going to combine the two sounds or syllabicated. Okay? Let's start now. I've prepared here. Okay. So let's start with the B syllables. We combine the B syllables to a vowel. Okay. There's one. B. B. A. B. A. Ba. Very good. B. 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 A. B. A. Ba. B. E. B. E. B. E. B. B. A. B. A. Ba. B. A. B. A. B. B. Yes, well done. Okay, this is it. Again. This is the one. B. A. B. A. Ba. Okay, let's say it again. Ba, b, a, ba, b, e, b, e, be, b, I, b, I, b, I, b, b, a, b, a, ba, b, a, b, a, b. Okay. Now let us syllabicate the b sounds, combining the vowel sounds. Ba, be, be, ba, b. Very good. Okay, next sound, next sound is k sounds. Okay, k sounds. K, a, k, a, ka. K, a, k, a, ka. This is soft C. When you heard soft C sound, it sounds like this. C, C. Then E sounds E. So we call it a se, se. The same as soft sound. Si, si, I, si, I, si. Very good. Next, this is the hard sound. K, a, k, a, ka. K, a, k, a, k, a, k. Well done. So let us produce this one. Let us syllabicate this one. Ka, se, si, ka, k. Again. Ka, se, si, ka, k. Very good. Okay. Let's continue with the d sounds. D syllables. Let's start with d, d, a, d, a, da. D, e, d, e, de. Well done. D, e, d, e, d. Okay. Next. D, d, a, d, a, da. Very good. And d, d, d. Well done. Now let's syllabicate this one. Let us produce this one. Da, de, di, da, d. Very good. Da, de, di, da, d. Well done. After the d sounds, now let's continue with the sounds. Now start again. We combine again the vowel sounds to the consonant sound. Okay. A, fa. Very good. Fe. Nice one. Fi. Very good. Fa. Nice. Very good. Very good. Okay. So let us syllabicate once again. Okay? Let's syllabicate. Fa, fe, fi, fa, fa. Again. Fa, fe, fi, fa, fa. Very good. So after the f sounds, let us continue with the g sounds. And there are two kinds of sounds in g. There is also a soft g sounds as j. Okay? So you will learn from this afterwards. G, a, g, a, ga. Nice. This one is soft sound. The soft sound of G is ch. The soft sound of G is ch, 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 ch. So ch, e, j. Nice. Then how about this one? This is the another soft sound, but there is also a hard sound with this. So combination. Okay, this one g for the hard sound. G, I, g, g. For the soft sound is g. The soft sounds of this one is j, 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 I, j, j. Yes, nice one. And the next one is g, a, g, a, g, a, ga. Well done. And next, g, 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 g. Well done. So, let us have this one. So this one, ga, j, g, ga, g. Or it can be depending on the example. There is also a soft sound in this one, the G one. Okay, G, I, G, I, G. So let's start with this ga, ge, or ga, j, g, ga, g, ga, j, G, ga, g. And another one, depending on the given letters, the J and the G. Okay, there is also a hard sound with this depending on the vowel. Okay, okay, next. Yay! Letter H sound. Letter H sound. Ha. Nice. He. Very good. Nice one. Ha. Very good. Ha. Ha. Okay, nice. The syllabication, or let's syllabicate letter H or sounds. Ha, he, ha, ha. One more try. Ha, he, ha, ha. Very world. This one. Letter J sounds ja. So sounds. Let's concentrate on sounds again. How about this one? Ja. A. Ja. A. Ja. Yes. Nice one. Ja. E. Ja. E. J. Yes. Next. Ja. I. Ja. I. J. Yes. Ja. A. Ja. A. Ja. Nice. Ja. 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 Very good. Now let us syllabicate this one. Ja, J, G, jaw, ja. Nice one. Ja, J, G, jaw, ja. Very good. Very good. Okay. Another one. K sounds. The K sounds. Let's produce the sounds of K with the vowel sounds also. Okay? K, K, A, K, A, ka. Nice. K, E, ke. Very good. K, I, ki. Nice one. K, A, ka. Very good. K, k. Okay. Let us now syllabicate. Let us syllabicate this one. Ready? Ka, ke, ki, ka, k. Very good. Ka, ke, ki, ka, k. Nice. After letter K is letter M. The M sounds. 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 Combining with the other vowel, the 5 vowel sounds. Okay. A. Ma. Me. Yes. Me. Very good. Ma. Nice. Ma. Okay, very good. Now let's syllabicate again. Oh, let's produce this. Let's syllabicate this one. Ma, me, me, ma, m. Ma, me, me, ma, m. Well done. Very good, children. How about N sounds? The same as this. The same. So, na. Ne. Ne. This one? Oh. Na. Yes. And na. Okay. Okay. Let us syllabicate. Let us read again. Na, ne, ni, no, n. Okay, again. Na, ne, ni, no, n. Well done. Very good, kids. Okay. Oh, let's do this. The p, p sounds with the vowel sounds. P, a, pa. P, pe. Very good. P, I, p. Pa, pa, pa. P, p. Yes. So let us syllabicate once again. Pa, pe, pi, pa, p. Pa, pe, pi, pa, p. Yes. Nice. Okay. We have some samples here, but because we're running out of time, so let us read this one, the syllabicate, until S. Okay, until S. Okay. R, a, ra. Nice. R, e, r, e, r, e. R, e. R, e. Re. R, e, re. Okay. R, a, ra. R, ra. Okay. Let us read. Ra, re, re, ra, r. Ra, re, re, ra, r. Very good. This time, the last part is the syllables. Combination again. A, sa. Se. Si. Very good. Sa. Very good. S, So let us syllabicate. Sa, se, si, sa. Okay, children, that's the last part because the same until letter W, until Z, the same procedure. All you have to do is to combine the sounds and you can produce you can syllabicate. When consonant and vowel combine, you produce another sound. So that's the sort of syllabication. We call that one as consonant and vowel pattern. Consonant, or we call that one as CV pattern. Okay? So dear parents, you can also teach your children to combine this one. Next lesson is about the CVC. You know what CVC? This is the consonant, vowel, then another consonant. That's the start of reading a simple, or we call it one simple words. Okay? So, next time, children, see you and try to listen to your parents. You have to respect them. You have to follow them. And follow also your brothers and sisters when they want to help you. Because when you learn a lot at the very beginning, when you establish that one, when you focus it, you will learn many things. Because God wants you to learn also. Okay, let us have the last song. Okay, let's sing again for the final song. But this is the first song. Okay, Jesus loves the little children, all the children of the world. Red, brown, yellow, black, and white, they are precious in His eyes. Jesus loves the little children of the world. Okay, thank you and bye for now. God bless us all. God bless everyone. Thank you. Thank you.